Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a URL field in Bitform. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the URL field. Drag and drop the URL field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the URL field settings. The label option allows you to set a name for the field label that will be displayed on the front end of the form. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add a subtitle for the URL field. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. This feature allows you to provide clear instructions on what information to enter, making it easier for users to complete forms or documents. The helper text option enables you to provide short information about your input field, including any input restrictions and formatting requirements. This option allows you to set a default value for the form field that will automatically populate when the form is loaded on the front end. Here, you can also set a default company URL for this field according to your preferences. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. You can show or hide the asterisk symbol by clicking this option. You can also choose the position of the asterisk symbol for the required field, before and after the label, on the right or left of the field. If you enable this option, the URL field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the URL field will be visible. The read-only option allows visitors to view information without editing it, and this option ensures that important details remain accurate and unchanged. You can show or hide this setting by clicking this option. The disable option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. You can toggle this option to enable or disable this field according to your needs. The invalid error message option allows you to set a custom error message that will be displayed when a user inputs an invalid URL. The unique entry option ensures that each form entry is unique and it helps to prevent duplicates. You can also set a custom error message that will be displayed if an entry is not unique. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the URL field. Here, you can see that the URL field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.